If you're considering booking a trip up the NaPali Coast, we recommend Makana Charters. Makana offers a variety of vessel options. Our group ranged in age from 10 to 78, so we chose the Amelia K for its comfortable seating and steady ride. The cost was $139 per child and $169 per adult. The tour met everyone's needs. The keikis had an opportunity to view the dolphins up close, and everyone had an opportunity to swim. Check out why we chose and recommend Makana Charters.
Always nice to come here. I was talking about the whales. Okay, come on, it's PG.
We got a trash can back here.
Oh no, we gotta go back.
Now the tow shots are pretty cool, you guys. I love it, but it's a thing called sounding, right? They use the weight of that massive tail to push them down deeper. And these whales, they can hold their breath for about 45 minutes at a time, which is about 43 minutes too long for us to sit here and wait for it to come back up. So we'll give them a couple of minutes, see what happens here, you guys, okay? Sometimes they'll take that dive just to come right back up out of the water to a reach. Now, I always picture them having to kind of go down 100 feet, right? And gain some speed to come back up. I mean, they're weighing in at 45 tons per animal, but the tail muscle, the peduncle muscle of the humpback whale is known to be the second strongest muscle in the world. Okay, it only takes about 2 to 3 kicks of that massive tail to get 40-45 tons completely up and out of the water.
Oh my gosh! 8 out feet. This is so fun. Look at that big one.
Brown chicken. Hi, Hapa. You see this whiter one? Her name's Hapa. We've been seeing her from when she was first born. She's the lightest color one, so we call her Hapa. Hi, Hapa girl. Hi, Hapa. Hi, Hapa. Look, he has a leaf on his hand.
Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, look at that one.
When they're
going fast. You know they got.
Yee! They're playing with the leaf. Oh. Oh, you can hear him talking. Hear him. The high pitch.
You see the blowhole. Hey, don't eat out. Oh, that was a fish. Amazed. It might be family too, but I don't know family. Oh.
That's one of Dad's cousins.
Yeah, I can see the resemblance. Oh my gosh, that's a tiny one. Oh, that's a fast one. Oh, it's really fast.
And then come over here.
Oh my god. They're everywhere. They're on the album. My cousin. I can see the resemblance. Just about. I can grab the touch on. I got short hands. Having a good time. Welcome to Sorry Kazan. Freeze. We saw how close they went back to them. Yes, sir.
Yeah, coming up see the beach down there. All the way down there.
That's oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh, that's
They're just having fun, don't worry.
This water!
This is so clear.
I love this.
So much.
Say bye, dolphins. Off we go.
Now do keep in mind, we do have to kind of maintain a certain distance from these whales. We are part of the largest marine mammal sanctuary in the world, starting up here in the state of Hawaii, and running another couple of thousand miles up to the northwestern Hawaiian Islands, Papahama, Moku,
Sometimes with the males, they fight each other, so the females get back in the process. They don't care. They only get one thing on their mind. It's like last call at the bar, you know? The last female there.
Found him. We'll have him do it again. You gotta do it again, Curry.